Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Locker for returns. First, log into your Amazon account and find the item you want to return under your orders. Click Return or Replace Items and then select Amazon Locker as your return method. Amazon will then send you a unique 6-digit return code to your email, which is essential for the next steps. This process is quick and ensures you're ready for your locker drop-off. Next, prepare your package carefully. Make sure your item is securely packed in a box or a padded envelope. It's important not to attach any shipping labels yourself, as the Amazon Locker system will generate one for you. Also, double-check that your package dimensions are no larger than 18 by 14 by 12 inches, and its weight does not exceed 20 pounds. Proper packaging ensures a smooth return process. Once your package is ready, head to your selected Amazon Locker location. You can find it easily using the map in your confirmation email. At the locker screen, simply select Return a Package and enter the 6-digit code you received earlier. A locker door will then automatically open for you. Place your package inside, close the door firmly, and your return is complete. It's a straightforward and convenient way to send items back. After successfully dropping off your package, you'll receive an email confirmation from Amazon, usually within minutes. Amazon typically processes refunds within 3 to 5 business days once they receive and inspect the returned item. The refund will be issued directly to your original payment method. Remember to keep your return confirmation email as proof of your return. This entire process makes returning items incredibly efficient and hassle-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.